In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your account in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If you ever need to switch accounts, troubleshoot a login issue, or just sign out for security, this quick guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon for settings. This is where Cursor keeps your account and app preferences. After the settings panel opens, scroll all the way down. Keep going until you reach the bottom of the page because the log out option is usually placed near the end of the settings list. When you see the logout button, click it once. Cursor AI will ask you to confirm that you want to sign out, so go ahead and confirm the action if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Cursor AI account. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a useful process to know anytime you need to change accounts or secure your workspace. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.